Happy weekend, everyone, and welcome back to another Press or Laws Friday at 5. This week, we're going to discuss low-speed crashes and occupant injuries. A common problem crash injury victims face is overcoming the unintentional bias people have when it comes to vehicle damage. Far too often, people associate the amount of property damage to a vehicle to the type of injury the occupants must have had. Simply put, the thinking is that if there's not much visible property damage, the occupants could not have been seriously injured. However, this is not necessarily the case, just as it's not correct that a significant property damage must equally result in a significant physical injury to the occupants. An occupant's age, medical history, distribution of force, and location within the vehicle are all factors which play a significant role in determining whether or not an injury can occur. In 2016, Florida recorded approximately 13,700 low-speed crashes. These are defined as crashes where the vehicle or vehicles involved were traveling between 1 and 10 miles an hour. Those crashes resulted in 26 deaths and over 5,800 reported injuries. Whichever way you cut it, those are staggering figures. So, while pictures of visible property damage are always more interesting to look at than medical records, they're not always indicative of whether an occupant was injured and, if so, to what level of severity. In my experience, I've represented crash victims who have walked away without significant injury or lasting injury in crashes with significant property damage. I've also been fortunate enough to help those who have sustained serious injury with little or no property damage. Everyone is different, with some people being more predisposed to injury than others. If you've been involved in a car, truck, motorcycle, or pedestrian-involved crash, it's best to seek a medical provider as soon as you can so you can be evaluated. Thank you for tuning into this week's Press or Laws Friday at 5 moment. We'll see you next week. For more information, visit our website at www.findyourjustice.com and don't forget to like us on Facebook. Happy Friday, everyone.